Right, I think this error is coming from we have not importing image here, so let's import image. Import image from that native. Let's see what the error has gone. Yeah, the error is gone. That's all right. Then we enter text here. The text was item title. Control S, and then yes, Control S, you can see everything is working well. We have this view with the image, which is set to be here. I think now this is clean. I can now Control S to save the changes. You can also check your thing from your phone, because I think this one, it is not able to swipe. It is not able to swipe, I think so. Taking so long. Alright. Yeah, it's there, but you cannot swipe. Just static. So this not working, but you can see we are doing something good. So let's continue.